It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.
Well, this is not my garage, is it? It's pretty dope. And got the old 450 here. Prairie Duke invited me out, and we're going to be taking these things for a rip, so let's get on the road. There's nothing to look down on this bike. The mirror doesn't work, the speedo's wrong, it's a dirt bike. I just look forward. There's the homie, Prairie Duke. He invited me out for a little rip on his bikes, because as you guys know, my bike still needs my rad welded fixed. Welded fixed? What good English. My rad's still broken. There's a lot of snow on that hill over there. It's still winter time, and here we are on the old bike, so can't complain. Look at all that snow, man, and we're on the bike. So there's guys skiing and snowboarding right now, and we're on our bikes. Your bikes. We're on your bikes. Be careful of gravel in these corners. Sounds fantastic.
You can't fuel while riding your bike.
What?
You can't fuel while sitting on your bike.
Well, then how do I get it level?
I don't know, you can get your friend to hold it, I suppose, if that's important.
That's the stupidest rule ever. Is that better? Is that better?
Really? I put my dirt bikes up in the back of my truck, man. Standing on it. Like.
Am I recording this? That's hilarious. Welcome to Calgary, where you can't sit on your own bike when you're fueling it up. Yeah, what if you sit on it and I fuel it up? Get off your bike, Prairie Duke. You're breaking the rules. You're gonna get the cops called, man. Can I sit on my bike when you're fueling your bike? That's funny. Guys, I put my leathers on for the first time this year. Oh, let's just say there's some bodily skin and fat where it never used to be, like kind of overspilling. Maybe I'll put that photo in I took. That's really bad. Oh man, that is not good. That is not good. I like my girls like I like my first wheelie, thin, a little flat. That's so bad. Oh my god, like my fucking stress has melted away. My all negative thoughts, all my like, you know, these things just get me going. Like a lot. Your bike having a loose mirror? No. Yeah, you wish you had this and linked up to my GoPro to defend yourself. Okay. Yeah, there's a sign right there that says no U-turns. Because people want to do it to get to that little side street right there, that little side road. Because you can't turn left here. Do you know sometimes I'm already in first gear, but I pretend to go to first gear again just to hear the bike. Okay, here we go. Sound of my people. Do I have blinkers on this thing that work or no? I thought this guy's in the middle of the road. Oh, she sounds so good and I'm so douchey. Oh, cops right there. Details car. Especially when you slam them like that. Dude, look how busy the city gets. As soon as it's nice out, bam, people come out, man. Oh, I want one of these so bad. Oh, look at all this new crap. Like, what for? For people to drive into when it's wintertime and you can't see it? How there's like a full-on sidewalk right there, but he has to run in the road. That's Calgary for you, man. And first bike picture of 2019. Gotta find a solid part though of the ground so the bike doesn't fall over. Welcome to the riding season of 2019. Oh, thank you, sir. We share bikes, we share cameras, we're kind of gay like that. Okay, I'm gonna turn you guys off, be back in a minute. Recognize it? Guys, this is what we do for the Instagram, guys. This is what we do for you. Done. Stay. Oh yeah, we gotta do the motard stance, bro. Oh, the back rock's getting a little... She's tilting. This is why we can't have nice things down here, man. Look, people throw rocks at this new building's glass windows. Brutal. There you go, man. This is how gay we are.
What do you want to do?
Oh, that's perfect. And then maybe a little bit of the bike too. Oh, that's perfect. You're a photographer. Photography and bikes can go hand in hand. Like, it's good to get your ass off the seat, have a little break. It gives you like something to do. Yeah, and then you get to edit some photos. People are going, oh my god, such nice photos. You're such a good photographer. The other day, this girl's like, yo, you take such nice photos. I'm like, let's be honest, it's the camera. And another guy at work has an A6300, and he's like, no, it's been proven that you can't just take good photos. I'm like, dude, you're one of those photographers I hate, that you think you're the God's gift to fucking photography. Like, you literally press, you flip 3 dials and press a button. Like, shut the fuck up. I mean, if you put vignette and effects and you do like bad wedding photography, I'm sure he has a point that you can suck at a photographer. I get that, but like, I'm like, come on, man. Like, it's the 200 Asian people in Japan making the dope camera. Like, if someone says, oh, the camera takes nice photos, I don't get offended, because they're right. It does. So I need to go super fast, shutter speed, bump up the ISO here. Okay, center. Are we on continuous fire here? Hold on, let me set it up. Drive mode, high, medium. There you go, let's go. Whenever you're ready. I'm too close. Okay, whenever you're ready. Yeah, start it there so I can get the... Yeah, do that more like where that post is. I want it accurate and I want it now. Do it now! I know, man. No excuses. That's all I'm hearing is excuses. Okay. Bro. Yes. No cars in the background too, bud.
Oh yeah. That's good.
Yeah. Yeah. We're doing the same thing, boys, just a little different. Oh, same camera too. Is that S3?
No, it's 2.
Yeah, that's awesome, bud. Snowcat, making fun of them from a distance. Nice when they're close. Canadian. Nah, like as much as I'm making fun of their IG stuff, we're doing the same fucking thing. Yeah. Nice stop. Yeah, give me the look because you didn't stop.